This electric cooker from Stoves is ideal if you want a brilliant quality model with fantastic cooking features. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main electric fan oven has a large 65-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is a little smaller with a medium-sized 37-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 2 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. This cooker has a ceramic hob, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So, not only does it look great, but it's really simple to keep clean and maintain. The electric fan oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavors. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf, and because the hot air is constantly moving, flavors won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. If you're looking for an excellent model with fantastic cooking features, this brilliant electric cooker from Stoves is the one for you.